Let's turn these old bangles into beautiful home decor. Thread some pearls to create a stunning toran. Glue them together for a matching jhumar. Perfect. Subscribe for more upcycling craft ideas.
Let's make a beautiful waterfall scene. Cut and shape colorful plastic bottles into flowers. Craft a tree and a small bridge. Add a tiny bird, and your waterfall is complete! Let's make a beautiful DIY waterfall. First, cut a plastic bottle for the base. Add some artificial trees and tiny birds. Place small people figurines to complete the scene. Look at your amazing handmade jharna!
Let's make a beautiful DIY crochet Krishna. Use blue yarn for the body and head. Now we add his vibrant yellow dhoti, accessorize with a tiny flute, and here is our cute little Krishna.
Let's make a Croatia-inspired flower pot. We will create paper lavender. Perfect for your home. Perfect for your home.
Let's start with the head using soft pink wool. Now, we fit the safety eyes in place. Stuff it firmly to give it a nice shape. And here is your adorable finished doll. Let's start with the head using soft pink wool. Now, we fit the safety eyes in place. Stuff it firmly to give it a nice shape. And here is your adorable finished doll. Let's create a beautiful DIY of Lord Shiva. We will start by crocheting the base with blue yarn. Now we add the details like the matted hair and third eye. And our cute Bholenath is ready. Let's make a beautiful woolen toran today. Add a few white pearls to make it look even better. And your festive door hanging is ready.
First, bend your pipe cleaners to make petals. Glue them to a wooden ring like this. Add some green leaves for detail. Now you have a beautiful wall hanging.
ऊन की चोटी गूंथ लें। अब छोटे फूल बनाइए, इनसे राखी सजाएं, इसमें सुंदर मोती भी डालें। आपकी राखी तैयार है। Today we will learn to make beautiful home decor. First, let's make the woolen gota flower. Now, string the pearls for the toran. Let's get started.
Today we're making a beautiful macrame toran. Start by securing your cords with a lark's head knot. Next, we will create a series of square knots. And there you go. Make sure to follow for more DIY tutorials.
Let's make a beautiful crochet rakhi today. This latkan will make it perfect for bhabhi. And it is ready. Let's make a beautiful DIY rakhi. Stick the gota flower on the base. Now decorate it with pearls and beads. Fix the thread and it's ready. हाथों से बनी ये खूबसूरत तोरण आपके घर को देगी एक नया रूप. चूड़ियाँ, मोती और गूंथी का ये संगम हर त्योहार को खास बना देगा.
Start by chaining 5 with yellow yarn. Now, weave them into the brown center. Wrap the stem tightly with green wool. Secure your sunflower into the pot. Perfect! Like and subscribe for more.